What's up, everybody? If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. What is up, everybody? So I am at an Airbnb and I'm going to do my makeup for the Sam Barber concert tonight. We have this really cute little background, and apologies if the lighting's not great, but I'm outside. It's like getting dark out a little bit. I just really wanted to film with this background, starting with the e.l.f. primer. So I did just get down to Orlando. I'm way behind. I thought I was gonna get here at like 3 o'clock, but as every weekend, plans change. Violet's dad did not get her Friday. Today's Saturday, he did not get her today. This is the Superstay. And yes, I'm actually standing and doing my makeup, so. I'm actually pretty excited about tonight's concert. This was a gift for Amber for her birthday from me. So I got us tickets and the Airbnb. She is on her way up now from South Florida. She's meeting me here. And I'm actually not using a mirror. I don't even know if I have one in the makeup I brought, but we're just gonna see how it works out. I do have a couple outfits to choose from for tonight. I don't know what exactly I'm going to wear. Yep. Okay, so this is my mirror. This is the Natasha Denona concealer. I definitely could have like set up my camera inside, but I don't know, I just thought this would be like fun and different. The inside is cute, but I thought this like background was way cuter. I am feeling pretty tired today. If you have been watching my channel for a minute, you know I'm pretty routined, and Friday is my rest day, Saturday is my film day, and then Sunday I edit and post. It's like the start of my work week, and I plan my week, and I get back on track, I food prep, I go to the gym, all that. Last weekend, her dad did not get her Friday, so it threw off my schedule. And I had family come in town this week, so that's also changing things a little bit. And then of course, this weekend, he did not get her again, and he did not get her Friday, and then I thought he was gonna get her today, and he did not. So thankfully my mom is in town, so she's able to stay with Violet while I'm here. I'm only here for one night and I head home in the morning, but I'm just really grateful that I do have my mom available to help because, you know, we already paid for tickets, we already planned the trip. Laura Geller, Baked, Balance, and Brighten, and I have been really loving these powder foundations. I've really just been experimenting with different powder foundations and setting powders, and I really love these Laura Geller ones. I don't even know exactly which outfit I'm gonna wear tonight. I was thinking like I have these Wrangler bell-bottom jeans, and then maybe cowgirl boots with like a cute top, but I also have two like skirt vest situations that I thought would be cute. So maybe I'll do like a little try on here and see what works best. The Milani bronzer. I've never actually done my makeup standing up outside, so this is kind of different. Should be like a challenge or something. Remember when YouTube used to do those makeup challenges? I think we should bring them back. Let me know in the comments if you want to like start that up. Let's see what we got going on here. The Huda Peach Pie. We are on an Airbnb property and the host like lives in the main house right there. I wonder if they like see me out here and are like, what is that girl doing? Filming. They have to know. I'm sure I'm not the first person to come here with a camera. You know, they have like all these murals around. Now the Kosas Baked Blush in Butterflies. Wow, I feel like the natural lighting shows the real color of this. Look how beautiful that is. Maybe I should start filming outside more often. Last time Amber and I went to a concert, it was at Red Rocks. I think September this year we went. And we did not eat before the concert. So when we got out, we were absolutely starving, and we got caught in really bad traffic going back to Keystone, And so every restaurant was also closed because I guess Colorado does not have restaurants that are open late in the middle of the night. We are in Orlando right now, so I don't think that'll be the case, but we're definitely gonna eat beforehand. I think I'm going a little heavy on the blush, I can't tell. Let me check. A little bit, baby, when you wake up, okay?
Okay.
I love you, honey, I miss you.
Love you, Mama. I miss you.
I love you, baby, my sweet angel. The Rare Beauty. This has been my like everyday routine. And I did bring the Natasha Denona Taupe palette. This one is just such a perfect go-to palette for me. It's very easy to work with, and I really like how the cool tone neutrals like play off my green eyes. And I am gonna go for like a berry lip tonight. Even though we're going to a concert, I don't want to do like anything crazy with the makeup. That was Violet on the phone. She fell asleep on the couch when I left. And my mom's watching her, so she's a little sleepy and a little bit out of it. Can't really see what's going on with that, but I will just blend it out in a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this like silvery color all over the lid. My makeup tonight may be a little bit messy. That's okay. Up to. Okay, bye.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
I'm taking that same like pewter silver color, the shimmer one, and I'm just going under my lash line. And now I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Longwear Eyeliner Pencil Crayon in Bachelor Pad. Oh no, it's getting dark. I'm gonna take this little tiny brush and just like smudge out that line. I'm losing light really fast, so I'm gonna hurry up. Okay, and for brows, I accidentally grabbed the Anastasia brow pen. I did not actually want this one. This is not the one I intended to use tonight, but it is what it is. A little bit of the Milk Clear Brow Gel. I hope this makeup isn't a total flop. I hope you can like see it and it's not too loud back here. Okay, the Milani Make It Last. Now I'm going to Grande Lash and Bubble Lash. And I think I totally forgot a lip liner tonight. I was really rushed getting out the door. I did like obviously change of plans because what I had planned this weekend didn't happen because her dad did not come and get her. And instead of leaving at 12:30 like I wanted to, I didn't leave until past 2. And I hit really bad traffic coming from North Florida. There was an accident, and then I hit 4 more pockets of traffic once I got into Orlando, which is expected. That's why I do not like coming to Orlando. I-4 is the absolute worst. And yeah, I kind of just like threw my stuff in my suitcase and got out the door as fast as I could. I think me and Amber might order some sushi and pick it up, but because we're in Orlando, I don't know about like reservations and stuff like that, so I'm hoping we have enough time to actually go to a restaurant. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna just add a little bit of the, God, the mosquitoes are so bad. The Charlotte Tilbury. And for lips, I brought the Superstay Teddy Tint, the Huda Faux Filler, and the Natasha Denona Berry. Figured I would do the Teddy Faux Filler with the berry over it and then top it off with the gloss. So through the night, if these two wear off, I'll still have this one underneath. And then the Faux Filler. that completes the final look. Sorry about the background change and the lighting change. It did get really dark outside, but I just finished getting dressed. And honestly, my makeup turned out pretty good for doing it standing up outside. This is my outfit for tonight. I have these cute little boots on and this little like textured outfit. It is so difficult to film, like not in my normal setup, but Amber's gonna be here any minute and we'll pick a place to eat. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.